Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove extra space after paragraphs in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just get your mouse cursor between the two paragraphs in question and select the Home tab up at the top. Over paragraph, select the icon that has two little arrows going opposite directions that says line and paragraph spacing when you hover over it. Click inside of there and you can select either just 1.0, which is just standard, or you can go 2.0, which is double spaced. If you're looking to modify a certain area that's already been spaced, you just highlight the whole area that you have this big gap in here and then select that icon and then just select, and where it says line spacing, you can just select single or double space perhaps, and then you would select OK. And you may have actual spaces in between here, so you may want to just backspace using your keyboard button to just backspace in between the paragraphs. And then if you want to add a paragraph, you can go ahead and add a space after the paragraph in here. And pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.